lovers of truth worldwide. Lovers of truth worldwide. Abroad, don't they cause madness? Abroad, they cause madness for this from these our sisters. Some of our sisters, not all. Let us not generalize, because seriously, but they are in the majority. They are in the majority. Whether abroad they cause madness, we thought these people went in the late 80s or in the 80s, 90s to seek for greener pasture, to bring out something better back to the land. But obviously, as it is now, most of them, they be failures. They be failures. They be planted failures. They be failures. I write here, say, a message from Omofuma to Don VS. There is a chihuahua where I see the fly for a those cyberspace where a willity bring come. You see, say nothing good can ever come out from anything we concern you. Anything we concern you, can anything good come out from it? I don't wake up this morning and walk out for the cup. That's why I give you this message, because you now bad influence to use in the state. A willity won't die. Offend a rat. What they talk say fine. In the smooth, they live on benefit. You leave Africa, can't live on benefit. You be failure. You are a failure as a man. You failed as a man, ability. Make I beat you small before I go to your puppy, where the thief person house. You know, say nothing good will ever come out from you. You come sit down for parlor in the morning. They show your torn down bleached skin. Say you fine, they shake head, whereby you are waiting for children to give you document. Nothing you fit impart to the land, nothing of substance, no integration to bring something back to liberate children yet unborn in Africa. You they call yourself, say you be man. You go talk to a business baby, go wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, they go walk. You go talk to men like Atiti, where go wake up, go hustle. You go they sleep for bed, they snore. They give yourself kudos, say you be man. You are a failure. You are a failure. Those people when they come watch you equally, when no one tell you, say you be failure, me they come tell them, say they themselves they inspire you to your doom, because they don't mean well for you. You consider for palo. Since you the born children, a saga you they do. They never fit tell you, say this is not good for you. You go call people name to call kind of a mimic somebody's relation, putting those people on air, saying that people family members. This is your antecedent. This is your antecedent on this Edo cyberspace. You are good in doing that. Ability. Why? Why you do this evil? You say they bring your mama come out. Your mama, you go collect too. You go collect. Your mama go collect water. Your mama go collect double, because you they step on men toes every second, every minute. They go bring fake people to come. They lie on people's name on this Edo cyberspace. You go collect. I'll tell you, say you go collect. You know, nobody go save you. So let me quickly try share for this angle, because I just close for work now. Say make I just talk to Ability and talk to a puppy. Say shame and disgrace can never depart from their household. Shame and disgrace can never depart from these evil people, this evil constitution of men on the cyberspace. Ajetoto, Ability, Domumu, evil men. They will call themselves, say there be people and they talk truth. Hey, truth don't die. Truth don't die. If Ability they talk truth, truth don't die. If Ajetoto they talk truth, truth is dead on arrival. If Ajetoto they talk truth, truth don't die now. Let's be realistic for once. Let's not be sentimental. Let's be realistic. Man go sleep, go bleach his skin for this world all day. He go bleach his skin Come they tell and say, now I get level, now I be role model, now I be so, now I go make difference for the black people yet unborn. That kind of man. It then means a whole lot of you people doesn't even know your left from your right. People they look up to that one because they born like pig. It is good to give birth to children, but the way that man just sit there for us, they give himself much more courage. Talo will say courage, much more glory. Say they do well. He is doing great. He is doing great. Don't say I say are they fresh? I see they fresh. Fresh your skin will take get first grade cancer later in life. Turn that dirty skin care we give to you. Turn that dirty skin care we give to you to give you cancer where you could take die. You say you dey fresh, you never walk, you dey fresh. We make the natural role of man na to walk, not to sit down for house, make woman give a document. Come they constitute users every second, every minute. They play guitar, they use a cane, take the beat chair. They use pillow, take the beat chair. Was this the mission they send you come Europe can't do? This is the mission your mama born you for, but you can't do for Europe. They flog chair, you get swag, you get followers. You don't fail, oh. You are paid, seriously. Let me go tell you, you don't fail and a failure be your name. There is always a day of reckoning when they separate the men from the boys. On that day, your name will not be there. You will not be reckoned. Just to give yourself hope, you do small Kurukebe MC, birthday party behind the scene. But your reckoning, when they call this score sheet, it will not be good. You see your puppy, you go to thief Don VS house. Enough even fear. Come they beat Don VS join in your house. You know, this not be evil people. How? Which kind definition? Which kind microscope they want to tell now? So not be definition of the word evil. Which kind microscope they go to tell now? See they go to look into now. Who they see from afar, who they see from anywhere, make you use microscope, tell look una say una be evil people. That replica of an evil, that one not chop belly full. Where be like the one where Rita talk say his sister. Where they gossip yesterday say it be Ukponozolo, cloth with tear, we don't bakaya for road walk. We don't bakaya for road walk. Come they talk say house will not be your own. You use to do whatever for your own mind. You don't create content. House not be your own. Person can tell you say why you go use my house to do this thing. You can't come out. Can't they insult that person? You not see the highest height of stupidity. That is why I say abroad they cause madness. Abroad they cause madness. Nobody get any good sense of judgment anymore. Anybody can just say, sit down, say this thing we do, it ain't right. Here we go, call people mama, call people whatever, use people, fake people, say they camouflage, say now this person brother, now this person sister, this person is whatever. Here we is habitual of doing that evil act. Why they go remove waist? Why they go remove hand for your mama waist? Say we. You don't say they need more name for your mama coffee. More name. 6 inches. If that's 6 inches before you go nail it, it go be 100 inches. That's what you are doing. You're not happy situation. You're not happy in your mother. You got to sing with a cockroach voice. Look at voice. That one have voice. You don't even get voice to sing. What? See, that one have music. It's not standard. In studio quality. Is that a music you should be proud of? You not tell you say you be mumu. You not gonna say you be mumu. A willity. You not tell you say you be mumu. You not gonna say you be mumu. You are a liability to the German government. You are a liability to the Nigerian government. I swear. Maybe you useless boy. Useless entity from the pit of hell. That's what you are. always creating evil every day, planning evil. How long you think that this evil in the plan not go boomerang to hit you back double? How long you think that this evil not go hit you back? Where your so-called baby mama therefore they porous. I can be one hitter just so they pay that day now. Another story you go talk. I can confess to you now, Mumu. You don't carry a video to share. That goat was always deal with goats as goats. What a failure! What a failure! Because you don't apologize to you, say now you do one. But what I say the fire that day, because you not care whoever you gather to fight. You are not a good warrior. A good warrior, they watch all your battle tactics to see who be real friends and who be real enemies, who be great allies and who be infiltrators. You be failure. Not careful now. Others na husband for Facebook, but they tell you the koro fat, the pure fat. Because I get sense past you, I big past you, I go school past you, I get money past you. Because that they start say you fresh, woman, stinking, idiotic human being. You fresh. Man, they fine. If you want really talk, who cares about man's beauty or handsomeness? A great man in Europe, a hustling man, no need to come the talk say fine. Let your bar talk say you fine. On a good day, if you waka, where you for fit spend 10,000 naira, I go spend 3 million. Where if you spend 1 million, I go spend 50 million. You're a fucking duck ass, a lazy duck ass. Changing the rotation of our people. See that for palo there. They do video, they enjoy, they flex, they flex. This is goodies. You want to open that goodies. They send dirty clothes back to Africa. What a shame and sorrow to that woman. Where marry you, we not get sense. Say when woman get blessed, they deserve peace. She need to get peace. What a shame and disgrace and sorrows upon you. And that's ye Pupu yeke need to be. They need to carry and go back to Nigeria. They go flog her way. You need to be taken back to Nigeria again. You, Richard Sade, Nigeria now you go last. Because at times people like you not deserve comfort. Comfort, they make people like you go crazy, go mad. Comfort, they make people like you go gaga. Small comfort, little comfort. You do the threatening fire and brimstone. They call everybody people. They call now. You sabi call people pass from Nigeria. They get the first-hand information. FBI, Richard Sadaye, FBI, CIA. What a shame and sorrow. The jaded life where you live today will go backfire for you tomorrow. You can't ask yourself, see what you do. Your mama, you are bringing pains and sorrow to that woman with what you are doing today. Once you want to collect, nobody go tell you. You go just collect. You just did there. You go did there. You go there mourn yourself. Shame. Not gonna let you come out. Come they beat pillow for chair again. Where that your mama, where your mama go collect. You just say that let the Murphy. Now let the Murphy. You just every day. You not go use your life, do better thing. You not go walk. You consider for chair every day. Without Mike Zuckerberg, where you senior, not bring Facebook. What if you use your life they do? What an ungrateful human being. They costed the Murphy saying, "I'll let kebab eat." But then you were dying. You not see kebab eat. You were dying there. Small little comfort. You just say you don't arrive. You don't bleach. Tonda skincare don't bleach you. You big pass everybody. Richard, you be fly for where are they? You be fly. And coming back to that your puppy. That your puppy. Where they say if they beat Don VF, you go to collect, hand go touch you. That has not be your own. Your life is property speaking. From the stables of the home of your correct and justice. You know if you get that house till you go die. You know if you go take another person's house, can't take pose. The person can't tell you say not use my house pose. You can't cost that person. You don't double. You go collect water. You don't zolo. like Rita, we talk for Lolo all the way leak yesterday. Like Rita sister, you zolo, you be zolo, you be dirty, you dey smell. Why you not use your completed video call influence? Take create content. If you be content creator, if I tell people say from block to block, you go smell time. Now so my own bill, I never smell time. Go to waka pass tenant. If you use I take create content, the person will get your thing. Can't tell you say why you use my thing. You dey beat the person. You not see how now they beat person, but all of them will collect. You be product of Richard outside there. So can anything good come out from una? Obviously. How even if God tell me say good will come out from that, I will say no, because you people hand have been swelled. Your hands have been swelled. Obviously, nothing good can come out from the four. They say three musketeers, but I will say four. Four from the Ugos, from the Ajetotos, from the Richard Sadeh, from the Domumu, supporting evil, supporting maybe to steal another person picking. We will support maybe to steal another person picking. Now, so not be human being. Not be the worst thing we come out from Edo State. Evil people because of Facebook money. No standard, no principle, no honor. Even they used to say among thieves there is honor, but for now kids will not get honor. Will not be foolish men, foolish idiot. Ajetoto came to this Edo cyberspace. Can't tell women, say if their husband police not they working, you go fuck them for hotel. Is that man a man of honor that call himself an ambassador of fear, ambassador of deceit, ambassador of lie, fake foundation because Osage Dwan. We beat her, we leave her. Kolisimudia, copycat, picker, con defraud. My next topic, Kolisimudia, I dey come for you. I dey come from work now, say make I beat this thief. The new thief in town. The new thief where the thief person has, the beat person put. Now so na be, but justice must prevail. Justice must prevail. There's no two ways about it. Justice must prevail. Una evil too much. Una evil they smell. Una evil set herself the dobale for na evil. They left for you na day. Una too wicked. Una bone marrow no truth. No get una cells of una blood no truth. Because they fear to talk the truth. Prostitution now bring a lot of people come Europe. A lot of people are a product of prostitution. They can never ever say the truth because one way or the other, their hands have been soiled on prostitution, a shower industry. But we that were not brought into Europe by any means connected to prostitution can be just neutral, say it loud, with good and due respect to those who are doing. Based on circumstances, they deny it. Not people like Mama Joy and people like Jesse Williams. When they come out today, they support evil. Jesse Williams who get me for Spain. I don't see him. I see him. Say a shower, not the defend a shower. I see him for your body. If they your body, you they rake. They support evil. They support Mama Joy. Say whatever Mama Joy did, you come out, come defend the indefensible. For you and me, I day and Omofuma. Where I go beat you water. Henceforth, your hands with mega comrade. Make I warn you. Mama Joy, I, as Andrew Omofuma, tell you, say, mega comrade cannot associate with you anymore. Mega comrade is not going to deal with you anymore because I say so. You be Igbiyaga, we not get sense. You want to fight that battle, go fight that battle alone. Not with the power of mega comrade anymore. Because they support evil. Because they pee beans, they dance, they shake yash, you're responsible. Una go show na self now. Una must always show na self. A shower go only retire, but one thing go bring a shower come out. Now una be. One small thing go show that character, that trace inside una, it go come out. You've shown the world that you dey cover evil thing. You tell the world say your husband not fit talk to you. Yeah. Now what if Frank they fight? Now you should take kill na husband, may they not talk to una. That is what Frank is fighting That's his mission. If you respect your husband, you go enter house. You support Mama Joy for this evil act. Why I sub to Mama Joy now? Because Mama died. I support her. That woman don't have any right to come on this cyberspace and prepare negative ideas. Say she first get, she can marry to 100 husbands. Nobody should be bothered about it. I'm bothered. As a stakeholder in what happens in my society, I'm bothered. Society and moral values goes against it. So may not come carry a primary school idea with your primary one idea. Can't kind of supersede my greater knowledge. With Richard, who said the 1+1 school we say go, yeah boy. So wait till I leave on my people. I think I go check the quality of this audio. If it's good, I go leave her here. If it's not good, I will come back again. Come beat all of una. From Jesse Williams to Richard to the small puppy where the thief person house. All of una, I go summarize all of una put together. All of una not reach the grand one march pass. All of una. Richard don't reach. None of una reach. Da. You hear people destroy us in the community. Satan get followers, I know. All of them come Europe. Huh? Why that fish not shop person like Richard? The shark in the Mediterranean is supposed to shop Richard. Yeah, boy, stupid boy, where beat the auntie, water. Then when your auntie deal with you now, you can't talk, say you be man. You know what to do now to bring your family to public domain. You the mad, you the crazy any day. The bubo cigar. Karate, I go beat you. I use Israel language to beat you because you be baby. Who did there? IK. Who they smoke? That boy too Mumusha. That one are the greatest also. I don't say Dominion talk show Mumu like this. I don't know say that woman Mumu like this. Where they rake that year, where we go help her cook. They rake. I got a shop Richard. I got a key Richard. I don't say that coward. That coward she be. Coward die many times before they are dead. Now small one I give you now. I just call for work. And they laugh with Asha. And they work since they watch everybody with my earpiece, watching everybody accordingly. I watch from Victor in the morning when they beat that Zolo cloth. Will be like Igbiaga for Mama good evening for Ajegule. I watched that one. That one they talk say he can get houses. He go thief person house. Huh? Fake life not go kill you. Mommy CEO. Blessing CEO of Edo State of Benin City. Blessing CEO. Now it be the new title of that idiot. Just your B. I even go up. I don't say where you carry 2 canvases. They call all of them. Hi. If they put you for ground, this idiot, I don't want to call your TV show. If they put you for ground, if they put Lolo leg for ground, you don't say Lolo leg big past you and your own generation yet unborn. Unda. A shower for Bagwe. What can compare with a shower for Sheraton for Lagos? Class, they pass class. Even though some people do a shower, class of a shower still get class. You know a shower for Bagwe. Every other one where they try to even talk to, they get class past you. So with no disrespect to nobody, I just give you stats. Yeah, you are a fucking maga. Hi, winch, poverty. It's just sometimes some people should be left to be poor, not to even test money. Because when you can't give who money suffer, well, small opportunity, you go want to do pass itself. Now be Rita, I told you, say it go over you. I told you, to say I be prophet. I tell you, say it go over you. It don't over you. Nothing. Preach from nothing next year except your followers are full. Preach from nothing next year. You have met your Waterloo. I told you, it has come to pass. So enjoy it while it lasts. There's nothing you can do about it. Except people are not realistic. Fool you choose to fool. Many of your followers, they called me from America. I told them I stand. I choose to deal with you because you refuse to hear word. So when you get her hot. I told you, Lolo is 5 steps above you. You cannot beat her to this game. She go beat you. I told you, say she go beat you. And she they beat you. Water. Lolo don't beat you. No, there's no tools about it. Lolo beat you like the bomb was dropped by the Americans in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That's what Lolo they beat you. That's what they call the Pearl Harbor in America. The Japanese came, they bombed. When the bomb finished, when the Americans reinforced, they went back. They bombed 2 cities in Japan that is not functioning well as it's supposed to function till tomorrow. That's all Lolo give you. Whether you like it or not, take this philosophy from me. I'm bigger than you when it comes to education. I told you. But you say the cow, or rather the fly, when they hear words, go follow the dead cow at her grave. Now you get. Lolo don't beat you. You're no more relevant. You are dead on arrival. I know people don't come and say they don't unfollow you because you're not consistent. So make I leave you. I'll pass my message across this evening again. Have a nice day.